Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. You must be signed in and have your artwork optimized for web. You should name files clearly, keeping one featured image ready. Once done, click Create a Project. This opens the editor where you add media blocks. You'll drag images or use import. Make sure images are ordered how you want them seen. While adding, write a concise project title and short blurb so the layout updates as you go. Now you assemble pages. Place image blocks first, then text to explain process. You should vary sizes, click a block to crop, zoom, or overlay captions. Once blocks look right, add a cover image and choose crop for the thumbnail. Make sure you include tools and software in the description so viewers know how work was made. Then add 3 10 tags. These affect discovery, so choose specific and broad tags for reach. Preview often to check flow and spacing. Finish by choosing visibility and confirming project metadata. Preview the thumbnail one last time. When ready, click Publish. Behance will process images and generate a shareable URL. Once published, share to social or embed into your portfolio. If publishing stalls, first check your connection, then confirm files are JPG/PNG under size limits. If still stuck, clear cache or try another browser. Finally, export a lower resolution copy and re-upload. This resolves most upload and processing errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.